Tired of switching back and forth between Heikin Ashi and regular candlestick charts in TradingView? What if you could see both at the same time, on the same screen? In this video, we're building a custom pane script indicator that plots Heikin Ashi candles in a separate pane, so you can track clean trends while still watching a real price action. You'll even be able to choose a different time frame for the Heikin Ashi chart, perfect for spotting higher time frame trends while trading lower ones. Hey everyone, welcome back to Code the Trade, where we build powerful trading tools using pane script. If you're into custom indicators, smart strategies, and automated trading tools, you're in the right place. Now let's dive in. Heikin Ashi is like a trend filter. It doesn't just show price, it shows momentum. One of the most popular patterns is 3 consecutive bullish candles with no lower wicks. That often signals a strong upside pressure. Or 3 consecutive bearish candles with no upper wicks, which often signals strong downside pressure. On the flip side, when the candles get small and start forming wicks on both sides, that usually means the trend is slowing down and we might see a reversal. This makes Heikin Ashi perfect for spotting trends, riding momentum, and avoiding market noise. But there's a catch. Heikin Ashi isn't showing you real market price. It's a formula. It smooths the data. So if you're using it for scalping or setting stop losses, it can be dangerous. You might get stopped out even though the Heikin Ashi chart hasn't hit your level yet. That's why pro traders don't use Heikin Ashi alone. They combine it with real candles, using Heikin Ashi for trend context and candlesticks for precise entries and exits. But switching back and forth between chart types is a pain. It's slow and it breaks your flow. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay Heikin Ashi chart right below your regular chart, with full control over its time frame. That way, you always have trend direction and price action in one place. Here in TradingView, if we want to create indicators, we need to go to the pane editor, which is right here. So pane script is the programming language used in TradingView, and it lets you build indicators, automated strategies, and test out any trading logic that you have. Now this powerful indicator that we want to build only needs 4 lines of code. Let me write it down real quick and then I'll explain each line. We start by defining our custom indicator using the indicator function. The first argument is the name of the indicator, which will show up in the indicator list. I'll call it Heikin Ashi. The next argument is the short title that appears in the chart. Here I'll call it HA. The third argument is set to false, which means the indicator will be displayed in a separate pane instead of overlaying it on the main chart. Next, we add a user input to let traders choose the time frame of the Heikin Ashi candles. By default, it's set to time frame of chart. Next, we use request.security function to pull Heikin Ashi data. This function lets us call price data from another symbol or chart type. And in this case, we use ticker.Heikin Ashi to get the Heikin Ashi version of the current chart. We get 4 values: open, high, low, and close, all based on Heikin Ashi chart in the selected time frame. And we use bar merge gaps on, so the chart shows gaps between the candles if any existed. And we use bar merge look ahead off to ensure that we don't peek into the future bars, so the indicator behaves realistically in live trading. And finally, we plot the Heikin Ashi candles using plot candle function. This lets us draw full candlesticks in the indicator pane, just like on the main chart. We pass open, high, low, and close values we collected earlier. Then we set candle colors based on whether the close is greater than the open. If the Heikin Ashi close is greater than or equal to the open, the candle is green, showing bullish momentum. Otherwise, it's red, showing bearish momentum. We also make the wick and the border color the same as the body to keep things visually clean. Once we're done with that, we can hit Command S or Control S on Windows in order to save the file. We need to save the file, and now we can see the file is saved, and we can add this indicator to our chart by clicking this. So now we have both Heikin Ashi candles and regular candlesticks in our chart. This view is perfect for identifying trend directions quickly, avoiding fake outs in noisy markets, and confirming entries and exits using both smooth and raw price action. You can have this indicator for free by clicking in the link in the pinned comments, and you can add this indicator to your favorite in TradingView. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what should we build next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.